I have not been officially identified with dyslexia, but when my son was struggling, uh, I started learning more about dyslexia and was like, I read a book in Barnes and Nobles and said, wow, this is really who I am. And so that's when I started my journey of learning about it. I was an elementary teacher, and I kept seeing characteristics of kids going, that kid's going to be dyslexic. Like, I need to refer them. And there were more and more kids coming through my classroom. Then the dyslexia therapist on the campus said, you should become a dyslexia therapist. And I said, I can't. Like, this is my deficit. And the opposite was true. When I got into the dyslexia therapy, I felt like I was able to help the kids more because I have trouble spelling restaurant. I have trouble reading without my finger. So when I had that same struggle working through with these kids, it was different. So when I became a therapist, they put me at the high school level. So my background elementary was with identifying kids and helping them in the classroom with strategies. But then I became the therapist at the high school level and seeing that our secondary kids, once they've been through that program, are still needing support and still needing those strategies. They're not cured after they've seen the decoding skills improve. They still have other deficits.